So what problem are we going to solve using variables? We are going to create a Scratch program. We're going to have a cat that is going to ask for your name and then reply, hello, your name, but all in Spanish. If you're learning a different language at your school, like French, then make your cat speak French instead. So how do we solve a problem? Well, in computing, as in life, we can use the steps of computational thinking, and here they are. The very first step is to not panic. When faced with any problem, we should not get anxious. We become unable to solve a problem if we are worried. We must first understand the problem. We must make sure that we understand the problem that we have to solve fully. Then we need to break the problem down into smaller sub-problems. We need to simplify it. Then we use our prior knowledge, our skills, things we've learned at school before, and if we've done something similar before, we need to use our wisdom. Then we create a plan and we follow that plan. What's the worst that could happen? And once we've created our solution, we need to evaluate it. Did it work? Did it do what we wanted to do? Did it solve the problem? If not, don't worry about it. Go back to step one again. In Silicon Valley, they call that failing fast, and it is celebrated. Okay then, so let's break the problem down. Let's simplify it. And when we break a coding problem down, we break it into inputs, processing, and output. What do we have to type into the program? What will the program output in the end? And how will it take those inputs and create the outputs? So our program, the cat will ask for your name in Spanish. So that's the inputs. It will ask for your name. The program will eventually display hello and then your name in Spanish. So how do we take your name that's been entered and display hello, your name at the end? Well, we need to store your name in a variable. So, using prior knowledge, skills and learning, do you know how to say hello in Spanish? Do you know how to say, what is your name in Spanish? Do you know how to get the Scratch cat to ask a question? Do you know how to create a variable to store the name that's given? And finally, do you know how to join together the word hola, which is Spanish for hello, with the variable that you are using to store your name? Once you've found out all of those, then you need to create a plan. Follow the plan and then evaluate. Did your cat say hello in Spanish? Did it ask, what is your name? Did it record your name in a variable? And did it reply hello and your name in Spanish?